Hello all, I'm Archana here at Conceptual Online. This video gives you an insight into the differences between the place value and face value in the Indian system of numeration. The sequencing of the topics is done in such a way that it will make it easier for a child to learn. But the child has to be aware of the place value chart preparation before learning the place value calculation. So the link to my previous video on place value chart is given in the description box. Just go through if the child is not aware. Now let's start the topic with an easy example. We'll start with the face value first as it's easier to understand. What do you mean by face value? As the word meaning indicates, it represents the original numerical value of the digit itself. In this example, look at this table here. I have underlined a particular digit. Here in this case, first case is 6 in this number. The face value of the digit 6 is 6 itself. If we proceed to the next example, if I am asked to calculate the face value of 1, I just copy and write it down. 1 face value is 1. Similarly, face value of 9 is 9. 5 is 5. 2 is 2, 0 is 0, 7 is 7. What we have done? We have just copied down the digits. That is all about face value. Let's see how to calculate the place value. As the name indicates, place value means the value of a digit based on its place. As we arrange the digits in a number, each digit has a unique position and each of these positions has a particular value attached to it. That value multiplied by the digit will give you the place value. I will explain it in detail with the example. Here we are supposed to find out the place value of the underlined digits. This is a 7-digit number. First we have to find the place value of 6. Then we have to find the place value of 1. So before going through that, we need to know about the place value chart. The child has to be aware how to draw the place value chart for a given number. You can refer to my previous video if you have any confusion in that portion. Now, in the place value chart, we have the place name and the digit. The digits are written from right to left in the increasing order of their places. First we have ones place, then we have tens place. So the rightmost digit 7 will come at the right end, then comes 0. The next position is occupied by 0 in the tens place. We have shifted 10 times from ones to tens. 1 into 10 is tens. Then 10 into 10 is hundreds. Then hundreds into 10 is thousands. See, 7, 0, 2, 5. 7, 0, 2, 5. This is how we arrange from right to left according to the increasing value of their places. Then we ended up 7th digit is in the 10 lakhs place. A child also has to be aware of how to write this place name in figures. Then only we can calculate the place value. The place value, as I told, is calculated by multiplying that particular digit with the place name written in figures. 10 lakhs is written as 1 followed by 6 zeros. The child also should know how to multiply the digits. In this case, it is 6 followed by as many zeros as is there for the multiplier. So the answer will be 6 into 10 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Place value of 6 is 60 lakhs. And now in order to calculate 1, we need to see in which position 1 is. It's in the lakhs place. Lakhs is written as 1 followed by 5 zeros. When you multiply 1 with 1 lakh, we should write it as 1 followed by 5 zeros. Similar way, 9 in 10,000's place, 9 into 10,000, 10,000 will have 1 followed by 4 zeros. So 9 in this place will have a place value of 90,000. 5 will have a place value of 5,000. 2 will have, since it's in hundreds place, it will have 2 times hundreds, 200. 0 will have the place value of 0 into 10 is 0. 7 in 1's place, 7 times 1 is 7. So this is how we write down the place value of each digit in a number. In order to get a thorough understanding of the difference between the place value and face value, the child can write these side by side and then compare it. By face value, we copy down the digit as it is, and by place value, we multiply the digit with the value of that place. So 6 in this example will have a place value of 60 lakhs and a face value of 6. 2, if we take here, this example of 2 will have a place value of 200 and a face value of 2. I hope this differences is very clear. You can just compare the values, note down and compare the values. Then you'll be able to make out what is the difference between the place value and face value. Thank you all. If you have any queries or any suggestions, you can reach me at conceptualonline@gmail.com.